Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Love Hate Inu. We see Love Hate Inu is the #1 vote to win crypto, and Love Hate Inu has a lot in store for us. Now, looking at the quarter 2023, they are going to be having exchange listing. That means Love Hate Inu is going to be listed on different exchanges. Now, to buy Love Hate Inu, go over to Metamask. Note, you need to have a Metamask installed. For Android users or iOS users, go over to Play Store or App Store, then download Metamask on your phone. Now, after downloading Metamask, save your seed phrase. Please don't share this key with anyone. So after doing that, go over to Binance or any other sex exchange. Now, those that don't have Binance account, I will have a link down below for you to sign up and create a Binance account. Now, first thing you want to do in Binance is fund your wallet. Now, you can either go to the buy cryptos direction and either buy through bank deposit, credit card, or even P2P trading. Now, after funding your wallet with Ethereum, note you need Ethereum, click on withdraw. So take note, you know that we created a Metamask wallet address. Just copy your address and send money from Binance to it. That's all you need to do. You are all set to buy Love Hate Inu. Now we go over to the Love Hate Inu website, click on buy now. Note, I will have a link down below to buy Love Hate Inu, and using my link down below you are going to get exclusive presale bonus. Now click on Metamask, then come over to buy LHINU with Ethereum. Now you have the choice to enter the amount you want to buy for, but for this tutorial I'll click on max, then click on convert Ethereum. Okay guys, so that's all for Love Hate Inu. You don't want to miss out on Love Hate Inu. They have a lot in store for us. We see that my price prediction for Love Hate Inu is that it will do nothing less than 1000x. We've seen so many meme coin that has done more than that. If you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.